Phosphor.friends, earl@logbook.com, back with a delightful little PC obscurity. This game may look familiar. You may think you know what this game is, and, well, you're right. It's called Bert and the Snake. Now, it probably doesn't take a whole lot of mental gymnastics to work out what this is a version of. It's basically a PC version of Qbert, a very early PC version of Qbert, I might add, and a very simple one. So, actually, oh, and the game is already in progress. I didn't do that, so let's let what happens happen, and I wasn't aware it was already playing. Okay, well, that's something of a minor revelation. Let's see if it runs out of lives. Bert and the Snake was programmed by Bill Piazza and released in 1984. I don't know if this was a game that money changed hands for in any way, or if this was a game that that was, you know, handed around kind of public domain style. You have fruit, you have Bert, and you have Snake. Alright, so we have colors. Let's press B to change the background color. Oh, that's lovely. Let's maybe not have a background color. Oh, I'm stuck with the back. Oh, okay. Let me get back to black, as AC/DC would say. Change palettes. Wow, which good old CGA. You know, which palette is less pleasing to the eye? Pick the lesser of two evils. Alright, let's do the keyboard setup. Oh, up and left. Okay, yeah, let's use the 7, 8, 4. Okay, that's kind of counterintuitive. I'm gonna do this kind of like almost like a MAME key cluster on the number pad. Pressing escape will start the game. So, I have my controls set up. I am Bert. I look like a banana wearing 3D glasses. there's what you get for not really trying out the game beforehand. As you wind up as a banana with 3D glasses being pursued by a snake. Now, I can't help but notice the lamentable lack of flying discs that Qbert would have at his disposal. But, you know, that's what I get for going with the cheap knockoff rather than the actual official game. Okay, spacebar to resume. Alright, I get it. Oh, I'm already having to change things to different colors twice, and I'm already dying. But once changed to the target color, they are remaining at the target color. Like myself, because I'm dying. It's interesting how the snake just starts in the middle of the screen. He doesn't hatch from an egg like Coily does in Qbert. He just materializes. Oh, Bert, buddy, I'm sorry. Oh, Alas, poor Bert. What? A new high score. Do you wish to enter your name in the BS Hall of Fame? You know what? I have a feeling, Bill, that my name is already in the BS Hall of Fame. So let's just try your game again. The BS Hall of Fame. Well, that's a colorful description. Man, I thought I was gonna get through the whole screen without ever seeing the snake. Like that's about my kind of difficulty level today. That's what I can handle. Oh, oh! Sorry, Bert. What happens to bananas wearing 3D glasses when they die? Do they go to banana with 3D glasses heaven? Oh, alas, poor Bert. I knew him well. Not well enough, but I knew him well. Oh, oh, oh! Can I even get off the second level in this game? No, the answer is no. I die quickly, and I wind up having to contemplate whether or not I'm going into the BS Hall of Fame, such as it is. So, considering where the snake materializes, I'm going to alter my normal play patterns that work so well for me in Qbert, and start claiming the middle of the screen first. I'm glad this snake is not a speedy fellow. Okay. One key press too many, and Bert goes to banana wearing 3D glasses heaven. Alas, poor Bert. Yeah, I have to remind myself this is not MAME. I'm not actually playing Qbert. Oh, so if the ball lands on the snake, a bad thing happens to the snake and the game kind of pauses for a second. I have to remind myself this is not MAME, it's not terribly responsive, and I need to go easy on the key presses. Oh! I also need to go easy on the snake jumping too. That did not work well for me. So really what you're trying to do is you're trying to lead the snake to a point where it could conceivably be crushed by the ball. Dear ball, please crush snake. Your friend, Bert. Didn't work. Okay, well, that's one way to do it. So, now we're only changing... Oh, that's an interesting... Okay. Bill has surprised me. He's landed on a new gameplay mechanic where you change the sides of the cubes, kind of like Cubert's cubes in the arcade, but then you also change the tops of them. That's interesting. I'd like to see that worked into an official Cubert game. Thank you very much. Oh, the snake. The snake has died. And so have I. The ball seems to be doing double time there. Goodbye, snake. I wonder why it doesn't just continue when... That was a key press left over from the previous screen. Great. Okay. I wonder why it doesn't just continue the game when the snake gets hit by the ball, rather than asking you to hit the space bar like that, because that totally takes me out of the... Yeah, that also takes me out of the game. Dying. Okay, so the snake can appear right on top of me. So, there you have it, Bert and the Snake by Bill Piazza. Yeah, I think this hails from the early days of computer gaming, where if there was not an official port of something, yeah, do it yourself. Bill evidently did just that. And this is what we wound up with. Thanks for watching.